Hi, I'm Sammy with Bar Under the Stairs, and today I'm going to show you how to make a coffee brewtini. So this is the coffee martini with cold brew. I came up with this recipe one day when I was working early at the distillery with a bunch of stuff left over in the fridge and some cold brew coffee that I ordered that morning. But it is a very simple cocktail to make, and everybody I've ever made it for has ordered another one. We're going to shake this cocktail, so we're going to build it in a shaker tin. I'm going to start off by measuring out 2 ounces of vodka, next is our cold brew. You may know how to make cold brew at home. You may have a favorite coffee shop that you get cold brew from. I got this from the grocery store. It's Lucky Jack Nitro Cold Brew Coffee, and it's just full of flavor. Tastes really good in this. So, 1.5 ounces of cold brew coffee. Now we're gonna do a little vermouth. We're gonna do some Blanc Vermouth. It's just gonna add a little bit of florals and aromatics and give a little more depth of flavor to the drink. Just gonna do 1/4 ounce Blanc Vermouth. Now we're gonna do some creamer. This is literally just coffee creamer. 1 ounce of coffee creamer. If it's a creamer that doesn't have any added sugar, make sure that you add a little bit of simple syrup or sugar into your tin to get that sweetness to combine everything. Just add some ice and then we'll work on the shake. So I'm shaking this drink rather than stirring it to create a lot of foam and body to the cocktail. So I'm gonna try to whip shake it a lot. So we're just gonna serve this up. I have a coupe glass right here. I'm gonna double strain the cocktail just to get out any ice chips. Delicious. It is expresso cold brew with creamer and vodka. There's a little bit of the Dolan vermouth that really comes through and shines and makes it taste like a martini. All around, it's just very pleasant. It's just pleasant. It's like a very lovely after dinner dessert or breakfast drink. I don't know, whatever you're into. I'm Sammy with Bar Under the Stairs. You just watched me make my coffee brewtini. I hope you make this. Let us know if you do and if you loved it or not. Also, please subscribe to our channel. We do our best. Nobody's perfect, but we're trying to make a channel happen here. Cheers. Nobody's perfect.